time you lead, everyone must swallow everything you feed. How do you do it every single day? How will you prove it live on Judgment Day? Look over your shoulder with fear in your eyes. Hard to remember your very last lie. Confessions to your God, so long overdue. Why would I ever wanna be someone like you? Say you're only 18, no